Wilson College NSS unit is like a family.
We stick together and are always there for each other.
And now we invite you guys to join us and be a part of our family.
We can understand things like how the Mumbai police actually works or operates during the festivals as well as the standard days. During Ganesh Visarjan, crucial things like crowd management, traffic management are few of the greatest experiences that we can procure. Gaining confidence to interact with the crowd is one of the finest skills that you learn as an NSS volunteer. One of the greatest opportunities that you will benefit from is being able to see the Lal Bagh Cha Raja, Ganesh Gali Cha Raja and so on. NSS activities are where you will obtain the most valuable college memories. The best part is for those who haven't yet seen how the Ganesh Visarjan is done. You can see the entire process of Visarjan by being the part of the NSS unit of Wilson College.
Hello guys, I'm here to talk about tree plantation, which is one of the most major events. I personally could have never imagined that planting trees could be so much fun. But trust me guys, the feeling of satisfaction after you've done the work is worth all the hard work and sweat, especially when you're with your friend. I am proud to tell you that our unit has already successfully completed 3 tree plantations in our adopted village.
Role of an in-charge. It basically tests your patience and leadership qualities. As an in-charge for an activity, you get to learn things like how to coordinate with your teammates, importance of responsibility, managing multiple tasks, and much more. An in-charge's basic duties mainly include work like making reports for the activity, keeping records of attendance, and managing the overall activity from start to end. It's a great experience in general and teaches many values, and will also improve your efficiency of coordinating with others.
Camp is something every volunteer eagerly looks forward to attending, no matter if the volunteer is junior volunteer or senior volunteer. Everyone has a unique experience. It is a getaway from our daily lives at home and colleges for a few days, where the other volunteers and the children of the adopted village become like our family. NSS camp is a 7-day camp that every volunteer has to attend at least once in the time period of 2 years. We spend time together with our team, performing different tasks and forming a bond that we won't be able to find anywhere else. Well, that is a feeling unexplainable.
So, the NSS camp is basically about a lot of activities which are conducted for the betterment of our adopted village. The volunteers are divided into different groups and are assigned different tasks such as cleaning, cooking, etc. Apart from this, we also plant many plants, especially of medicinal quality. We even organize short film screening related to different social issues and myths. We even dig soak pits for the villagers so that they can use for sewage water expendition. We hold various sports competition for the children in the village and even award the winners. The visit to Aadhar Center of Physically Disabled People and the Shramdaan is one of the main tasks. one of the most yet fun learning is the experience of cultural event, which takes place on the last day of the camp. On Cultural Day, the volunteers and the villagers come together and enjoy the events.
Camp help us to grow as an individual, as camp allow us to be a better self. It also helps us to be more disciplined, more enthusiastic towards our work, more cooperative, and helps us to learn the better version of ourselves as a leader. Overall, NSS camp is the best part of NSS, which helps us to reflect our personalities in a much better way.